So we are on our way to the Ob-Sea. It is called sea, but it's not a sea. It is an artificial pond created by a dam on the river Ob, and as far as I know, it's one of the biggest artificial bodies of water in Russia. But we just treat it as a sea, like a sea, and there is a beach and people having fun. It's too early to swim because today is one of the first hottest days. And on the other side of this sea, you can see the city and the power plant and some forests. There are people playing ball. And then there is Mike. There is Mike and our German guest Kati and my student of English Yula, just like me. Lots of driftwood, rubbish. Say hey, Michael. Did you flip off again? I didn't see.